My name is Eric Frodo. I'm a chef. I've been a chef for 30 years. On these sessions of cooking online or lesson online, we're going to do a lot of things. We're going to use some fresh products. We're going to provide to you some recipes. It's for you to enjoy cooking at home. That's super important. Don't forget, cook, cook, cook. It's also for us to give you a test of what we do in our cooking schools, how we teach, how we provide food for everybody to enjoy. All that will be available to you as the recipe, but also as a video, so you can follow us on step by step. You can find so much on YouTube today. What we're giving you is also a service. We will give you even from time to time some tips of what to drink with what you've cooked and the recipe we gave you. Are you interested?